Hello, friends, all TYBSC students, myself, Ilet Sandore, Assistant Professor in Zoology, GMD Arts, BW Commerce and Science College, Sinnar. Now, today we are discuss about the lysosomes. Lysosomes is the important organelles present in the cell cytoplasm. Now, origin of lysosomes. The lysosomes may be originated directly from the endoplasmic reticulum or from the Golgi membranes, and they associated with the vesicle formed by pinocytosis or phagocytosis. Now, the lysosomes, which is also formed by the protein granules synthesized by the rhizosomes in the endoplasmic reticulum, where the enlargement of the ribosomes. When these are bud of give rise to bodies having properties of lysosomes. Lysosomes are present both in plant or animals. Now, what is the origin of lysosomes? Lysosomes are originated from the endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi complex. That is nothing but a simple definition of the origin of lysosomes. Now the structure of lysosomes. Lysosomes are very thin, dense globular body and vary in size from zero point 0.2 to 0.8 micron in diameter. 0.2 to 0.8 micron in diameter. They are essentially a pair of single lipoprotein membrane containing hydrolytic enzymes, which are involved in the mechanism of cellular digestion. If the enzymes are released, they can digest the cell. Lysosomal hydrolysis have to have no direct access to cellular components, which prevents uncontrolled digestion of cell content. Thus, lysosomal membrane is resistant to enzymes that encloses an entire process of digestion is carried out within the lysosomes. Now the types of lysosomes. Which are the types of the lysosomes? The lysosomes are polymorphic and they show irregularities in the structure and internal structure. As it affects lysosomes, they are extremely dynamic and can be only recognized after isolation. Now, irregulated in or polymorphic means that it shows the change in shape. That is the change in shape, size, and therefore that is the polymorphic. Polymorphic means that the many morphological arrangement of the lysosomal vesicles or vacuoles. Now there are four types of the lysosomes: primary lysosomes, digestive lysosomes, residual lysosomes, and autophagic lysosomes. Now see this, the origin and the occurrence of lysosomes or how the lysosomes are formed. Now see this, there is a presence of the endoplasmic reticulum, and the endoplasmic reticulum having the ribosomal bodies on the rough endoplasmic reticulum, where the releasing of that type of the vesicles or that type of the ribosomal enlargement from the endoplasmic reticulum, and they are come toward the Golgi apparatus or associate with the Golgi apparatus. Because of that, the Golgi apparatus, which is also synthesize some enzymes which are enter into the ribosomal bodies of that vesicles or the lysosomal vesicles. Now these lysosomal vesicles, which is also released from the Golgi apparatus or the Golgi complex, and then it becomes toward the as a primary lysosomes. Now the primary lysosomes are nothing but the bodies or the vesicles which intake the enzymes or fulfill the enzymes, and which are passes toward the cellular digestion, and then there is also presence of the phagosomes. Now the phagosomes are nothing but the food material which is enter into the lysosomes, and they are uh, digest the material, that is nothing but the foreign particle which is digest in the lysosomes, that is the phagosomes. Then residual body. Now residual bodies, it means that the digestion, after digestion of the cellular digestion, some of the bodies which are remain as it is, and that type of the residual body which is present in the lysosomes, and these are stored in the lysosomes, where the dark black spot which showing the entry of the some foreign particles and small particles which are present, that is nothing but the residual bodies. Now autophagic vacuoles. The autophagic vacuoles are, which is nothing but the vesicles which is receive the some enzymes or some particles from the mitochondria, and then it is digest in the cell, or it shows the suicide, or itself dissolve in the cell or endoplasm. See this, the primary lysosomes. Each primary lysosome is a small body, and its enzymatic content synthesized by the ribosome and accumulated in endoplasmic reticulum. From these enzymes penetrate into Golgi region, in which the first acid phosphate reaction takes place. Primary lysosome of, as called as storage granules. Now digestive vacuoles, these are formed by phagocytosis or pinocytosis of foreign materials by the cell. These are secondary rhizomes which contain engulf material with a membrane and shows positive acid phosphate reaction. They contain enzymes, and already digested material are present. Digestive vacuoles are also called as the heterophagosomes, residual bodies. After digestion, the end product pass through the lysosomal membrane and are incorporated into cell. The undigested material is left, or if the digestion is incomplete, the secondary lysosomes form are called residual bodies. Now, in some cells like amoeba, these are eliminated, and protozoa also. Now, autophagic vacuoles or lysosomes. These lysosomes are the special type of lysosomes, and in which they contain a part of process of digestion in for example in mitochondria. Now we have to just seen the uh, figure where there is a presence of the mitochondria, and from the mitochondria where the lysosomes which showing the autophagic condition or autophagic lysosomes, and therefore such type of the lysosomes showing the regularly engulf bits of cytosol, and which is degraded by mechanism called as a microautophagy. During the starvation, the liver cell shows the numerous autophagic vacuoles, and this is mechanism by which a cell can achieve its degradation of constituents which have undergone irreparable damage, and these secondary lysosomes are called as the cytolysosomes or autophagosomes. Now, autophagosome means that the cytosol continuously beats into the lysosomes, and which is useful for the at the time of the starvation period, and where the example is a liver cell, and thus this is about the uh, lysosomes and their structure and function of that lysosomal conditions, where uh, this is about the structure of the lysosomes, and next time we have to see the next functions of lysosome. Thank you very much.